Welcome to your first coding challenge in this course. And so this is the challenge that I want you to take. So Mark and John are trying to compare their body mass indexes, which is calculated by dividing the mass by the squared height. Okay, so this formula here. And to calculate the square of a number, you simply have to multiply it by itself. And so the final formula becomes mass divided by height times height. Okay, and here note that the height must be in meters and the mass in kilograms. All right, now the first step that you have to complete is to store Mark's and John's mass and heights in different variables. Okay, so just like we've been doing all this time up until this point. Then next up, calculate both their BMIs, then create a Boolean variable containing information about whether Mark has a higher BMI than John, and so that again we did before. And then finally, you can print a string to the console saying something like, is Mark's BMI higher than John's? And then the Boolean that you created or that you calculated in step 3. Okay, so true or false. And so this is, again, very similar to something that we did before. And so this should be not a big problem to you, hopefully. Now, if you find some problem here, if you cannot really solve it, then it's absolutely no problem here, okay? So don't beat yourself up if you're not able to 100% complete this. So everyone has different learning speeds and learning styles, and so it's really okay if you're not able to do it 100% on your own here, okay? So if you need to look up something that we did before, that's not a big deal, but you should really try to remember the stuff that we did before and use that to solve this challenge, okay? Anyway, the solution to this is in the next video where I'm gonna show you how I would calculate this. So good luck with this, and see you in the video after you complete this coding challenge.